Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Timesheet Manager Access in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app enhances timesheet management by granting manager access to their own timesheet as well as their teams. This ensures better oversight, tracking, and approval for work hours, improving productivity and workforce management within the organization. So, first of all, we will go into the settings. Under user and companies, we will go into the users and we will go into the mark demo. Here under services, you will find a field for timesheet. Now, instead of own timesheet only, select manager access. Now, save it. After that, we will go into the employee module. Open that module and here you can see all the employees. Now, go to the mark demo. And in here you can see all the information about mark demo. Now under work information tab, click on that and here you will find the organization chart. Here you can see 4 different employees under mark demo: Paul, Randall, Ronnie and Charles. After this, you need to log in from the demo. Here I have already logged in from mark demo. Now, if we refresh this page, you will find a module for all timesheet. Now, open that and here you can see the timesheet for Mark Demo, Paul Williams, Randall Levis, Ronnie Hart, and Charlene Road. Here you can see the timesheet of the person who is under Mark Demo. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.